So, is there anything wrong with the Brompton? Ask anybody that owns one, and chances are that they'll tell you how much they love them, how convenient they are to fold, and how much fun they have riding them. I don't think I can be accused of not liking Brompton. I've never been sponsored in any way by them, and yet this YouTube channel was born out of the simple joy these bikes can bring and the fact that they still allow me to experience some wonderful adventures. In fact, I like them so much that it took me 10 years to do this video and admit that there is something I've never felt quite up to par with the rest of the bike. I'm talking of the gear shifters. Both the old model and the newer, much better looking thumb shifters have not been performing as they should. You will find videos on YouTube claiming how heat or humidity can stop them from working properly. Tutorials have been devised on how you should dismantle the shifter and file down some plastic parts with some fine sandpaper, or use cotton buds to lubricate them. In my latest ride in Sicily on a new Brompton, I started having the same issues. After a few days, I wasn't able to shift between two of my hub gears. They would get jammed to the point that the only solution was to stop using a particular gear. And each time I forgot to do so, I had to stop and detach the tensioner in order to be able to get back to the gear I wanted. Now, losing the ability to use one hub gear on a 6-speed means you're losing 33% of your available gears, which is annoying. Later, just by chance, I discovered that the shifter had a slight play, and if you put some pressure with your thumb to move it slightly lower as you change gear, it is working. I also own a Dahon Speed TR, which I thought I would use for touring many years ago, but it turned to be folding not really small and not being as reliable. As far as gear shifting though, it came with a SRAM dual drive that after 15 years is still shifting really smoothly, and I never had to service it. This mind you on a bike which was quite a bit cheaper than a Brompton at the time. Brompton are by no means cheap bikes, and so in the future I hope this issue will be finally sorted and that we will have a proper gearing system that is reliable and works smoothly. If you've also had a similar experience, I would be very curious to read your comments. Thanks for watching.